Congratulations on completing the SQL for Beginner playlist. First of all, thank you for investing your time and effort into learning SQL with me. By completing this playlist, you have built a strong foundation in databases and SQL fundamentals. We have covered everything from understanding databases and DBMS concepts to SQL syntax, data types, null handling, and setting up your SQL environment. This journey has taken you from understanding how database work to learning SQL fundamentals and building the skills needed to work with data effectively. You have successfully completed the first stage of your SQL learning journey. But more importantly, you have taken the very first step into the world of data engineering. SQL is much more than a database language. It is a foundation that powers analytics, data engineering, machine learning, and countless real world applications. Every day, data engineers work with massive amounts of data that power dashboards, analytics machines, analytics, machine learning systems, business reports, and modern applications. This is why SQL remains one of the most important skills in the data industry. Before you can build data pipelines, work with cloud platforms, process big data, or design data warehouses, you must first understand how data is stored, organized, and queued using SQL. That's exactly the foundation you have built throughout this playlist. Remember, SQL isn't just another programming skill, it's one of the most important tools in the data engineering toolkit. Whether you are working with millions of records in a data warehouse or building ETL and ELT pipelines, strong SQL skills will be essential throughout your career. And this is just the beginning. In the next playlist, SQL core concepts, we will move from foundational knowledge to practical, real world SQL skills used by data engineers and data analysts every day. You will learn how to create and manage databases and tables, enforce data quality using constraints, write powerful select queries, perform CRUD operations, summarize data using aggregate functions, and master joins and table relationships, the backbone of working with data at scale. These are the exact concepts you will use when extracting, transforming, validating, and analyzing data in real world projects. You will begin to see how raw data moves through database, gets processed using SQL, and ultimately helps organizations make better decisions. By the end of the core playlist, you will not only understand SQL better, but you will also be much closer to thinking like a data engineer. You will be able to write more powerful queries, work confidently with real world data, and solve practical business problems using SQL. If you have enjoyed this series, don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and share the playlist with others who wants to start their journey in SQL, data engineering, and the world of data. Your support helps me create more content and continue building learning resources for the community. Thank you for learning with me. I will see you in the SQL Core Concepts playlist. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and keep building your data skills.